Stop scrolling. The Australian Army once declared war on an animal and officially lost. This isn't a joke. In 1932, Western Australian farmers faced an invasion of 20,000 Iban ewes, destroying their crops after a severe drought. The government deployed soldiers armed with Lewis machine guns. The goal was simple: eradicate the nuisance birds. But the emus were absolute masters of guerrilla warfare. They were too fast, too tough to kill, and scattered before the military could organize an effective attack. After several weeks and thousands of rounds fired, the soldiers officially retreated in defeat. The emus won the Great Emu War. Do you think the emus deserve a statue? Hit that like button and let me know in the comments.